Hello, my name is Osvaldo and I am part of the Harmony Public Schools. Today I shall present the electromagnetic light bulb demo. First, let's begin with the video. The electromagnetic light bulb demo is a device meant to show the effects magnetism has on a filament with AC and DC currents. It utilizes the principles of magnetics, electricity, and currents. The AC current provides a filament an alternating current that changes from positive to negative at a rate of 60 times per second. The DC current provides the filament a direct current which is composed of negative electrons. First, the DC current is applied. When the DC current provides a direct current, the filament only receives a negative charge of electrons due to the current that flows in only one direction. When the neodymium magnet is placed near the light bulb, the filament moves away from the magnet. This shows that the filament was repelled by the magnet. Since the filament is charged with the negative electrons, it is repelled from a negative side of the magnet. This is one of the principles of magnetism, which states that opposite charges are attracted to each other, yet similar charges are repelled by each other. When the magnet was flipped and placed near the light bulb, the filament moved towards the magnet. This demonstrates that the positive side of the magnet attracted the negative electrons. Afterwards, the current was switched to an AC current. The filament then received an alternating current that switched from positive protons to negative electrons at a rate of 60 times per second. When the magnet was placed near the light bulb, the filament began to oscillate rigorously. The filament then appeared to be repelled and attracted to the magnet at the same time. In this case, what prevailed is that since the current is alternating from a positive charge to a negative charge, the filament then becomes both attracted then repelled. The charge of the filament changes from positive to negative 60 times in 1 second, so it oscillates according to this rate. This is then when the property of AC currents takes its place. As well, since the current changes from positive to negative, it also changes direction of the flow of the current, which affects the magnetic field of the filament. For the ELA component, I chose to do journals. For this project, I explained my experiences and findings through the conduction of the experiment. I made an insight into my thoughts and discoveries during the whole project. I spoke of what I began to understand and what I learned. For my social studies component, I chose to compare my project to a discovery made by Gian Domenico Romagnosi in 1802. He observed that when a wire is connected to a voltaic pile, or the first battery which could provide a current, the wire became magnetized and affected a nearby compass. The link to my website shall be below in the description. Thank you for watching my presentation on the electromagnetic light bulb. My name is Osvaldo and I am part of the Harmony Public System. Thank you for watching.